congratulating you for your continuous involvement in the affairs of the country and more particularly Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and that too more particularly in the context of COVID. I could visualize very much from the presentations and the suggestions that have been made that you are like very responsible citizens and like very responsible members of the industry and commerce area, contributing significantly, selflessly, in a very dedicated manner, and keeping a watch on all the developments, trying to help the government at the state level, and also monitoring what the central government is doing, and also disseminating the right information to the people of your state using all possible methods of information, education and communication. Last week itself, I had a meeting with all the international organizations, and where we have appealed to them to work over and above what they are already doing in the field of health, to be working in a focused manner around tuberculosis elimination. We want all the 100% children in the country to get all the dozen vaccines in the universal immunization program without even letting one child deprived of it. We want our maternal mortality rates, infant mortality rates and under 5 mortality rates to improve further significantly, so that we can reach the goals set by the Sustainable Development Goals much earlier than what has been thought of. So there is a very, very ambitious program around elimination of many vaccines. The whole country has learnt to fight COVID. Even a layman also knows if he has to protect himself, he needs to follow a COVID appropriate behavior, a proper wearing of mask, using it all the time, not even removing it while talking, and while eating also removing it while you are alone, not removing it on the dining table with your other family members. I think small things which we have been emphasizing through every possible mode of communication. We started in the month of February by that caller tune message to 117 crore people. Now it is being delivered through Amitabh Bachchan ji about this COVID appropriate behavior, hand hygiene with soap and water, social distancing, respiratory etiquettes, and avoiding of unnecessary participation in social gatherings, markets, etc.